I'm Scott Stein, and this is the iPhone XS, and we're going to unbox it. Designed by Apple in California. The iPhone XS instruction set. The SIM card tool. The fine print. Stickers. This is the iPhone XS in gold. It also comes in silver and space gray. The price starts at $999, but this model, which has 512 gigabytes of memory, starts at $1349. This is a 5-watt iPhone charger, the same that's been with the other iPhones. So no change here. Included, a set of earpods, connected with Lightning. But this time, no 3.5mm headphone adapter, which is a shame. Also included, Lightning cable. That's it. That's what comes in the box with the iPhone XS. Apple also gave us an iPhone XS leather case to try, saddle brown, $49. If you want a size comparison, that's the iPhone XS, and that's the iPhone XS Max. For more, check out my whole review on CNET.